Hi, this is Amber Mitchell, and for the Advanced CSS class week 4, I will show you a little ribbon that I built as a shape in CSS, or in SCSS is how I wrote it. Let's start with the ribbon div. This represents this whole piece with, as you'll notice, it has a notched end, and then it appears to kind of go back behind the other div. And those two things are accomplished by, well, the main ribbon div is just a square, and the other parts are accomplished with a before and an after on the div. So as you can see over here, the position of the ribbon is relative. This is because it has an outer container that puts it directly where I want it with absolute positioning. So the ribbon itself is relative within that. And here's the after. This after creates this little triangle right there. And here, I'll move it a little bit so you can see where it is. I just place it absolutely right below the main div. And then I made it a slightly darker color so that it looks like a shadow. And then the before is the notch. That's created by using borders. So here's what I'll do. I'll make these borders black. And you can see that the before is actually just a square. There, so you can see the whole square. And basically, we end up making this kind of false impression of a notch by making two of the borders, the left and the right, transparent. So it just shows the behind color. And here's the right one. And so thus it looks like a notch instead of a full-on box. That's a great way to make any kind of triangular type shapes with CSS. Okay, hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Thanks.